Hi, I'm CA Chetan Daga.
Hi, I'm CA Radhika Daga.
We were looking for an interior designer for our consulting space in Pune, and to start with, it was quite a stressful experience because we didn't know who was the right designer and how do we sort of select the right person who understands us well, who designs the office as per our requirement, and at the same time makes the design cost effective.
I think we were very clear about our expectations in terms of what the look should be like, what our budget was, which we would not like to exceed. So we were looking for original new ideas that could come up with something new, align well to our requirements, and somebody who was genuinely interested and passionate in designing for us.
And in fact, that was one of the first learnings when we interacted with Jagruti, was that, we thought we knew our requirements pretty well. But the first few questions that we got from her, in fact, set us thinking that there are a number of aspects which we haven't thought about, but which are very relevant and critical. And probably that's where, we tend to like, or we tend to believe in things which we have already seen.
Jagruti is not the first designer we've worked with. We've worked with other designers on other projects, but this has been an absolutely unique experience, very enriching. It's been a roller coaster ride, and I'm glad we kind of decided to work with her. I think all of us have broken our comfort zones and have come out with a wonderful ending and a wonderful outcome.
In fact, when we today step into our office, which is fascinatingly done up, the first thing that strikes the eye is, there is so much space. In fact, there have been a few cases where people in our own complex have come to us and said, is it that the spaces of a particular side are of a higher dimension compared to the others? And then we have to go back and tell them that no, probably it's the way this thing has been done up. It's actually giving you an illusion of space.
What we really liked about working with Jagruti is she is absolutely passionate about her work. She knows where to be firm with us. Sometimes we need somebody to tell us, give us the direction and be firm with us. She has very original ideas which take into consideration the budget as well as the look. She does not like to compromise on many things. Even if we are okay to compromise, if she has decided that this is how it will look, she will go to any length to achieve that look and that perfection. So she has not left it to us or played along. She's been very firm about what she wants, and that's why it has resulted in such a beautiful office for us. Jagruti has a very good attention to detail. She notices minor points which may not come to our notice immediately. She can visualize various different scenarios that can appease. She is well aware of current trends. She can give a holistic view in terms of considering different aspects of designing, like enough light, good utilization of space, if we need to have a Vastu check or just general suggestions which are good to know. And I think it's been her passion at her work which is very evident, and as professionals we really appreciate that aspect about her. I would say looking at her work and at the overall experience, I would highly recommend Jagruti to anybody on the lookout for any kind of space decoration and designing, clearly because of her highly creative approach and unique and creative tastes.
And we felt that with most of the designers, there was a pattern that was replicated across sites. So, if you look at pictures of 10 sites, you will see certain commonalities. And this is one thing which we've felt very significantly with Jagruti. I think each of her sites is unique. And with Jagruti, she has a clear discipline of sending us a budget utilization sheet, where there is a component-wise breakup. So if you have sanctioned a particular cost for a particular project, where has the money been spent? How has the money been spent? And it's not only shared with us after the money has been spent, but it starts right from the planning stage, that if you're sitting with an X amount of budget, how could your budget be probably utilized? And she also walks you through in terms of prioritization of what's necessary, what's nice, and what's probably avoidable.
So I'd like to wish you all the very best, Jagruti, and a big thank you from our end for this beautiful office and the awesome experience. Thank you.
Thank you.